New Tusom village, inhabited by the Tangkhul tribe, is located around 84 kilometers from the Ukhrul town, and it comes under Jasami subdivision of Ukhrul district. With more than 2,500 swarm buffaloes, New Tusom village is the village with the highest number of swarm buffaloes in the entire Manipur. As per the livestock census report of 2003, total number of buffaloes in Manipur is about 10,000. Of these, around 6,074 buffaloes are in Ukhrul district and about 3,075 are in Kamjong district. The swamped buffalo, locally known as Silui in Tangkhul dialect, has some unique special traits like its capability to climb steep hills, ability to pull heavy logs. Hence, these buffaloes are utilized for agricultural activities. Preserving these buffaloes is not without any challenges. The village lost more than 100 buffaloes due to the outbreak of an unknown disease last year. Chairman of New Tusom Village Development Council, Grayson M. Vashum, expressed concerns that the nearest veterinary center is located 84 kilometers away in the Ukhrul town. He said the district veterinary department had organized vaccinations for these animals on 2 earlier occasions, and apart from that, villagers don't have the necessary know-how on vaccines and medicines required for treating their buffaloes during such outbreaks of diseases.
At least 50 above the amokasi tokre amo iroise. Aduna government miken jangbiraga Hantaki iroike buffalo ge mela pangkhatpa sida henna amoga ana ayak sitokpa toktaningai government gramana safe to bigra haibidu tobio hana kun cha New Tusom area neighboring on behalf when a VTC chairman ama when a say government appeal tawzari.
Chief of New Tusom village Shangmayo Vashum emphasized the importance of these buffaloes in carrying out their agricultural activities. He said the village faces many problems as it is located remotely along the Myanmar border. He also mentioned that another Tangkhul village called Somra is located just 21 kilometers away from the village further towards the Myanmar border. The village chief recalled that former Lok Sabha MP Mani Charanamai in 2006 assured that a trade center would be constructed in New Tusom village, but it has not materialized yet. Shangmayo hoped that the veterinary minister come New Chingai MLA Kashim Vashum would take positive steps and build a veterinary center in the village. He also urged the relevant authorities to establish a trade center in the village.
129 pillar asina ekhoi porter ni haba international boundary ni adudigi ekhoi ki lambi si yam atu danger de le maramdi phajana government adugi tamak da pesa hapitaba ekhoi private same 2006 da many charana me MP oiringa da sida trade center hangni hane man wasak pikraba hujik 2006 da hangni habdu hujik phoba 2022 lakhre adugi tamak da krisu tawbitaba simak ki kishim somne minister cabinet minister oibagi ekhoi thajabale mane tawgni habdu e thajabale.
Villagers have formed 5 Iroi committees to safeguard these buffaloes. Chairman of these committees, Chinauchung Vashum, said buffaloes are set free in the forest for grazing once the farming season is over. He urged the government to fence the village boundary as it is located along the Myanmar border, and there have been instances of these buffaloes wandering onto the international border, never to return again.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯄꯤꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯐꯪꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯀꯩꯊꯦꯜꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯌꯣꯟꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯏꯔꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯄꯥꯛꯋꯦꯔꯒ ꯐꯟꯖꯨꯋꯦꯔ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯩ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ajo asangduna mi angjang biduna khara meeting bibiyo haina yamna luna to somgi on behalf da iroi gi kampu gi iroi group gi chairman amawena masi hazaninge.
For Impact News reporter Jotin Kundrakpam and video journalist Namairapam Biswajit, this is Joyce Shugusham, new to Som Village.